The Rainforest, Mother Nature's Home. A film made and directed by Chipponeri. Life Science, first period. The rainforest is home to many animals. Some big, some small, some deadly, and some very calm. But what's going on inside the ecosystem? Oh gosh, you gave me quite the scare. I'm Perry. Perry the cat. Who are you? What am I doing in the rainforest? Well, I'm trying to get a close look at the ecosystem. But if you couldn't guess, it's a little bit hard considering everything wants to kill me. So that's fun. Alright, gang. Come on, let's go. Oh. What was that? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Ah. Hey, listen, man. Just don't eat me. You want the monkey? Okay, man. Just take the monkey, not me. Huh? Let's go, come on. Well, that right there is an example of the ecosystem. Or really the food chain, I guess. It's the food chain. See? As we can see from this food web, the predator, the plants get eaten by the capybara, the sloth, the elephant, and then the elephant then gets eaten by the tiger and the eagle harpy. I'm not too sure what that actually is. Anyways, they all get eaten by that, and then when they all decompose, the decomposer in the food web, aka the fungi, eats all their bodies and corpses, to be honestly quite detailed. So yeah. Oh, hello again. Now what am I doing? Well, taking a look at some abiotic factors in the ecosystem. Notice, look. The rock here is home to many different types of animals. So it can be home to bugs or a perch for flamingos. The water here is home to the fish, such as piranhas and other kinds of tropical fish. Ah yes, the capybara, the world's largest rodent. It eats the plants and the vegetation of the rainforest. But, what's that? What's that sound? I think I hear someone coming. And record. I am. Since all the capybaras are now dead and other herbivores, it overgrows. Weeds and other plants fill the jungle floor. This makes the jungle more dark and intimidating. Algae grows in the fish's ponds. And carnivores can now lurk and hide at any corner. Hide that from me. Come on, guys, we gotta go. since the vegetation and whatnot has overgrown, now snakes, tigers, and other animals are now have prime hunting grounds and can lurk at any corner. But I mean, it's not all bad. Well, yes, the herbivores are dead, and yes, vegetation is at an all-time high. At least the omnivores have a lot of food, and the fungi can grow much bigger. Although that may not be a plus, depending on what fungi.
The end.
Okay, now
no animals were harmed in the production of this film.
Yeah. Okay, stop.